Sha 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 sha, like flipping through a book. Sounds like scrubbing my shoes.
It's like the waves on a summer's day.
It's like the crunch of me snacking on nuts. It's making me hungry.
We're approaching Yigang Town. Please get ready for your arrival. Thank you for choosing China Railway High Speed.
The story of a rainy day.
Water.
The ceiling's leaking. A bit of a situation here.
Come on, kids. Come over here.
Mr. D, are we going to have a swimming pool?
Hello, Mr. Bull. Our school ceiling is leaking. Can you come over to fix it? Thank you. Mr. Bull will be right over. Wow, that was quick.
Roof repairs are my specialty.
I'll steady the ladder for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, Mr. Bull.
Thanks to you too.
I want to help too, Mr. Bull. Just let me know what you need. I'm super strong.
You're all great helpers. Thank you.
With the kids' eager assistance, Mr. Bull quickly fixed the ceiling.
All set.
Fantastic.
It's pouring outside. We can't go out.
I hate rainy days either. They always ruin my white sweater.
Rainy days are boring.
I can tell you a story to pass the time.
Yay, great.
The kids are excited to hear the story and sat down.
Do you all like new clothes?
Yeah.
Well, let me tell you about the Emperor's new clothes. A long time ago, there was an emperor who loved wearing new clothes. The tailor created a new outfit for him, which was said to be invisible to fools. The emperor couldn't see it either. But he didn't want to be seen as a fool. So he pretended to admire himself in the mirror, asking if he looked good.
What was that, Mr. Bull? I missed it too.
He asked if he looked good.
What? Missed that again.
again.
I'm beginning to hate rainy days. Can't even enjoy the story.
It's so irritating.
No sweat. I have an idea. This felt should muffle the noise.
Be careful, Mr. Bull. Thank you.
Don't worry. I'm a pro at this.
When Mr. Bull returned, the noise was indeed a lot softer.
Mr. Bull, use this.
You're amazing, Mr. Bull.
Great, now the story can continue.
The emperor paraded in his new clothes, with a throng of people behind him. Then out of the blue, a kid yelled,
Mr. Bull, are you okay?
"I'm all right. Just a bit of a scratchy throat."
Here, Mr. Bull.
Thank you. Tubo.
Mr. Bull, you should head over to see Dr. Rhino. You might have caught a cold.
But I haven't finished the story.
Mr. Bull, you should go. Colds are the worst.
Exactly. Yes, we can hear it next time.
All right, I'll go to see Dr. Rhino.
Now Mr. Bull went to see the doctor. With the story unfinished, a gloom settled over everyone.
Kids, why not listen to the rain's melody?
Sha 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 sha, like flipping through a book. Sounds like scrubbing my shoes.
It's like the waves on a summer's day.
It's like the crunch of me snacking on nuts. It's making me hungry.
Bunny Dad is writing the children's growth diary.
Today was rainy. The school sprung a leak. Mr. Donkey called Mr. Bull to fix the damaged roof. Mr. Bull started a story for the kids, but the rain's noise drowned him out. He solved it quickly with a piece of felt, yet the rain left him under the weather. He couldn't finish the story. The kids listened to the rain's rhythmic patter and found it to be a beautiful story too.